Hello students, today we are going to discuss chapter 3, that is tools of word processor. What is word processor? Word processor is a software by using which we process the words. Process the word means we edit the words. Sometimes we change the color of the text. Sometimes we want to add the synonym of the text or antonym of the text, or sometimes we want to change the style of the text. Those are called your word processor. So in this chapter we are going to learn these things. Okay, kindly go through it. These are the learning things for this chapter. Next, first we will discuss editing or formatting tools. In editing and formatting tools, what we can do? We can make correction in the document. Making correction in the document means sometimes we find some spelling error. Spelling error means the spelling is wrong. Sometimes we find some grammatical error. Okay, these things we can change. Then changing the style of text, its size and color. The text style also we can change. Sometimes we can write in italic, sometimes we want to write in bold. Okay, these things also we can change. Then formatting text means the size of the text, type of the text, okay, and color also we can change. These are the formatting of the text. Now we will discuss about all these things. Okay, first changing font type, and one thing I will tell the steps and I will show you how we can do it. Those who are having computer at home, you can perform by following the steps in your computer. Okay, so first is changing font type. Okay, so the steps are: first step you have to select the text. Okay, first you have to select the text. Step 2 is, after selecting the text, on the home tab in the font group, click the arrow next to the font button. A drop down list appear. After clicking the arrow in the font button, a drop down list will appear. Click the font that you want to apply to your text. The text will appear in the new font type. So how we can do that, I will show you now. This is already I have written the things. Okay, so first we are going to select the text. So this is I have done. Then on the home tab, in the font group, so this is the font group. In the font group, this is the type. These are the types. Here we can select. See, I am selecting and the text is changing. The selected text, you see, automatically it is showing. Okay, see, these are the different types of font. So I have selected one. See, now you can see the difference. See. Now next, changing font size. Font size means the letter size we are going to change. So for that also we have to follow the steps. Here also I am going to show you one video. First is select the text. First step, already I have shown you how to select. You have to press your left mouse button and drag over the text so that it will be selected. Step 2, on the home tab in the font group, click the arrow next to the font size button. A drop down list will appear. You can preview the font size by taking the mouse pointer over the desired font size. Click step 3, click the font size you want to apply. The text will appear in the new font size. Now I am going to show how to do that. Changing font size. First step is we have to select. Okay, my selection is done. Now in the home tab, already selected the home tab. In the font group, so this is the size, this is the drop down menu. Here you can take the mouse pointer and according to that the size is changing. See, the text size is changing. Okay, now from here you can select which you want. Is that a very easy thing? Once you go through it, definitely you will also able to do. Now font style, here we will get 3 type of font style. Okay, first one is your bold. Bold means the most darkened one, which I have already shown you. This is the bold type text. How to do it? On the home tab in the front group, click B1. B will be written there, you have to click on that. Otherwise, but you have to select that one, that text first. The first step must be select the text. After that only you can apply these steps. Otherwise, after selecting the text, you can click Ctrl plus B together. Okay, so your selected text will be bold. Next is your italic. Italic text will look like this. Okay, little slant this is. So here also you have to select the text, then on the home tab in the font group click I. Otherwise you can use, this is the shortcut key. Next is your underline. Underline means after writing some text, if we want to underline, we can press on the home tab in the font group, click on U. If you will press this U button, then you will get this underline text, and the shortcut key is Ctrl plus U. So now we will see how we can do it. See, first we have to select the text, then from the home tab font group B, see, this is bold. Okay, now again I have selected this, so I will show you how italic will look like. This I we will press to get italic style. So this is italic style. Next I will show you how we can do underline text. Click U. This is underline text. Okay. Next, changing font color. Follow the steps to change the font color. Font color means the text color you can change by applying these steps. Step 1. Select the text. Step 2. On the home tab in the font group, click the arrow next to the font color button. Step 3. Select the color by clicking the color you want to apply to the text. The text will appear in the selected font color. Now I will show you for clear idea how to change the font color. So, first what we have to do, we have to select the text, then on the home tab in the font group, this is the arrow button, click in the arrow button. These are the colors option, so you choose one color, see automatically it is changing. See. From here also you can change. These are the some more options. click on OK. So your text will become red. Okay. Next is text highlight color. Text highlight means, suppose you have written one paragraph and in that paragraph some words you want to make highlight. Okay, so that whenever any person will see that paragraph, then those words, those highlighted words the person can see easily. Okay, so what are the steps we have to follow? First, step 1 is select the text. Step 2 is on the home tab in the front group, click the drop down arrow next to the text highlighter color button. This is the button, text highlight color. Then step 3, click the color you want to use as highlighter. Okay, so how to do it? First step is we have to select the text. Okay. Then in the home tab, front group, this is the text highlighter color. You choose any color, suppose maroon, this green. See, this is highlighted. Okay. Setting. Okay, setting also we generally use to highlight the things. Okay, so how to do it? So follow the steps. Step 1 is select the text. Step 2 is on the home tab in the paragraph group, click the down arrow next to the setting button. Step 3, choose the color you want to of your choice from the color palette. Setting. How to do it? First is select the text. The home tab, paragraph group. This is setting option. Okay. So, in which color I am selecting, automatically it will become the shade. Okay. Next, strike through. Follow the steps to strike a text. Strike means to put a cut mark over the text. Strike out. Okay. So what are the steps? Select the text on the home tab in the front group. Click the strike through button. So how to do it? This is only 2 steps, so very easy. First we have to select the text. In the home tab, in the font group, this is the strike through option. See, it is showing. As soon as you will take the mouse, it will show. You select, see, the text is strike out. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about superscript and subscript. So first is superscript. Superscript means this is called a superscript. Whenever we are writing to the power some x or y or some number, then to the power something we are writing, like sometimes we write no 5th, 3rd, 4th, like this. So those are little up we are writing, no, like this. So this is called your superscript. So what are the steps? On the home tab in the font group, click superscript option. Okay, I will show you. Then what is the shortcut key for that? Press Ctrl plus, this is a key, Ctrl Ctrl, then together only you have to press Shift then plus plus. Okay, so automatically the text will be superscript. Then what is subscript? Subscript means like this, X2. Okay, so like we write now H2O, water. Okay, that for that we use subscript option. Then what are the steps? On the home tab in the font group, click subscript option. Otherwise some shortcut key also you can use, that is control plus equal symbol. So how to do it I will show you now. See, this one option, this is your superscript 4th, your class. Okay, and then H, then subscript option, then 2, then again I will close the subscript option. Okay, then I can write H2O, so I am not writing it, so H2. Okay, like this we can write. Now changing text case. Text case means sometimes you use lower case, sometimes you use upper case. These are called case. Case means small letter, capital letter, these are. Okay, follow the steps to change the capitalization of words, sentence or paragraph. First, select the text. Step 2, on the home tab in the front group, click the down arrow next to the change case button. Step 3, choose the desired capitalization option. Now I am going to show you how to do it. Okay, so there are more cases I will show you. First we have to select the text. See, these are the text I have selected. Now in the home tab in the front group, this is the change case option. Click on here. So many options are there. Sentence case, this is which was there previously, that is only sentence case. Lowercase means everything is lowercase now. See, there is no uppercase. Lowercase means small letters. Uppercase means everything is capital now. Uppercase means capital words. Again you can choose capitalization. Each word means the first letter of the word will be capital. Okay, this is called capitalization of each word. Then this is toggle case. Toggle case means the capital letter will be small and the small letter will be capital. See, okay, here which one was the capital, now that is small, and which one was the small, now that is capital. Then aligning text. Aligning text, actually first we need to understand the meaning of this word. Aligning text means the margin. Whenever we are writing something, we are setting some margin or we are following some format how to write that, that is only the aligning of the text. Alignment means sometime we are moving, we are using left alignment, means left side is will be even. Then sometime we are using center alignment, like poems, you have seen poems that is written that generally we write in the center of the page. Then right alignment means right side will be even. See here, this is even but this side is not even. Even means here it ends, here it ends, it ends here, it ends here, so that means alignment is not correct. So this is left alignment. Okay, so like this. Then justified means this side will also even and this side will also even. When I will show you the video, that time you will able to get clear idea about it. So how to do that alignment? Select the text. On the home tab in the paragraph group, click any of the option of your choice. So how to do it? Any of the option means we have 4 options: left, right, center and justify. First we have to select the text. Then on the home tab, in the paragraph group, these are the 4 options. First is left alignment. See, I was already having left alignment only. Okay, means left side is even. See, left side is even. Okay, but right side is not even. See. Okay, this is center. Center means some letter will come to center. See, this is your right alignment. Right side is even now. And this is justify. Okay, justify means both side is even. Okay. Now, adjusting line and paragraph. How to adjust this line and paragraph? That means spacing. That means whenever we are writing lines, means how much space we want between two lines, that also we can adjust, and how many space we need between two paragraph, that also we can adjust. Okay, so how to do it? The steps are: select the text on the home tab in the paragraph group. Click the arrow button in the line, arrow button next to the line and paragraph spacing button. Step 3, a check mark in the list tells about the current spacing that is used. In case you wish to change the spacing, click the new spacing value. So once I will show you the video of demonstration how to do it. First you select the line or paragraphs in between which you want to give the space in the home tab in the paragraph group. This is the line spacing option. So here you can select the space between the lines. Okay, here from here also you can select add space before paragraph, remove space after paragraph. So one example I will show you, 2.0. See, this is the line space between two line, that is 2.0. Now remove space. Okay, now undo and redo. Okay, I think this is you people are very familiar with it because already you have learned MS Word and all these things. So what is undo option? To reverse the last action performed, means the action which you have performed last, that one you reverse that one. Okay, and redo means to repeat the last action. The last action which you perform, that one again it will repeat. Okay, so I will show you the video of demonstration how to use undo and redo. Now I am studying computer. Okay, so if I will press, this is the undo option. See that it reverts the last action. That means I have typed it, it reverts that one. Then again if I will press redo option, means what I wrote, that one again it is repeating. Okay, got clear idea about undo and redo? Next, checking spelling and grammar. Checking spelling and grammar means, see, you will find here two type of line. For spelling, red underline, and for grammar, green underline. Okay, green or Yes, green underline. Okay. Now, what are the steps? Step 1. On the review tab in the proofing group, click spelling and grammar. For each error in your document, MS Word will offer one or more suggestions. You may select a suggestion and click change to correct the error. Other options are ignore once. That means it will skip the word without changing it. Ignore all. This will skip the word and all other instance of this word in the document without changing it. Add to dictionary. This adds the word to the dictionary and does not show it as an error. Change. This will replace the word with the suggested change, and change all means this will change all other instance of the document. So how to do it, that one I am going to show you. This is my spelling error. Click here, right click, then this is the correct spelling. Okay, so automatically now it is not showing the red line, that means my spelling is correct. Now grammatical error. See, this my is grammatical error. Okay, why it is grammatical? This M should be capital. See. Okay, now automatically it is correct. Okay, like this you can change your grammatical error and your spelling error. Now I will show you the other options, that is the ignore once, ignore all, those options. Proofing group. This is according to the step actually, spelling and grammar. See here you will get all this: ignore all, ignore all, ignore once, ignore all, add to dictionary, change, change all, autocorrect. Okay, these are the options. Now, thesaurus. Actually, what is thesaurus? Thesaurus means sometimes, suppose beautiful is a word, but we want to use such a word which is more attractive. That means we can use beautiful, but instead of beautiful some other word we want to use. For that time we use these options. What are the steps? On the review tab in the proofing group, click thesaurus. Then step 2, to insert a synonym from the thesaurus, click the drop down arrow. Step 3, click insert or copy. Now click how to do it. Now, nature is beautiful. Okay. So select it in the review thesaurus. These are the synonyms. So click on that, one arrow will come, then you can insert copy. Okay, if you press insert, see gorgeous is now changed, beautiful is now changed to gorgeous. Okay, this is how we can use. Now printing a document. See, printer is not connected with my computer, so exactly the video how it will come, maybe I will not able to show you all the options, but I am trying to show you. Okay. So what are the steps? Click the file menu. Then second is select the print option from the drop down list. Then under setting, click print all pages to view option. And step 4 is choose the number of copies in the copies box. And step 5 is click the print button. Okay. File option, then print option. From here you can select. Then these are the other options. Page range. Page range means how many, from which page to which page you want to or take print out. This is the number of copies. Okay. This is the number of copies. Then click on OK. As printer is not connected with my computer, so it will not show you the preview option. Okay, those who are having printer, you can once check it. Now these are the question answer part. Okay, so you take out your book, and by seeing these things you can mark in your book first, then later you can write in your copy. This is the fill in the blanks. If you are finding difficulty while writing the question answer, you can pause the video, you can take a note of it, then again you can play the video. This is true false. Question number B. Question number C. Result of the following keyboard strokes. That is the shortcut key and its functions. Question number D of your book that I have given you as a homework. You do it. If you are finding any difficulty while solving the question number D, you can ask me. Okay. And this is the answer for question number E. This is question number F. Answer the following questions. This is 4, 5 and 6. Go through the video once again, read your book completely, again you watch the video. If you are finding any difficulty, you can ask me, and try to write all the question answers in your homework copy. Okay, not only question answer, from A to F. Okay, and this is the book of Cambridge Connect's Computer Studies. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.